Welcome to the channel. My name is Bombo and welcome to The Man Toy. Today's video is about a product that you may or may not want, but it's for the F150 extended cab and full crew cab. This video today is sponsored because they sent me this product for me to review, and I gotta show you some installation. It's a leather custom seat made by Customs with a K. It's called Customs Interior. I'll put the link in the description below, let me know. So let's start. Custom, what's up, buddy? Hold on, Daddy's working. All right. I gotta do this here because it's too big. I don't wanna put it in the garage. So let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? I don't know if you've seen that movie 7, Brad Pitt. What's in the box? It's a bad joke, sorry. I was a little bit skeptical about this product because, hey, hold on, buddy, this is sharp. I know. This guy's name is Jet. Well, you can hang out here. I was skeptical about this product when they reached out to me because the last seat cover, leather seat cover that I reviewed in this channel, it didn't work in the back seat. It did work in the front seat, the front two seats. That's what I have in my truck right now. I did a lot of research on Amazon, see if I could find seats or custom leather seats or whatever seats for the rear of the F150 for the extended cab, and I can't find any. But this one, they claim that it would fit in both, so we'll find out. So let's unbox this. Let's see the quality of this seat. Hold on, buddy, this is sharp, so you gotta chill. All right. Okay. All right, jeez. Yeah, this looks nice, man. Ow! What do you want? All right, well, the seat cover look the same color as you because you messed up my back seat last time when I picked it up. Whoa, the quality is nice. It's supposed to be made of real, genuine leather. The website says that it will fit. Hold on. The website says it will fit on an extended cab and a full crew cab. I'm gonna take this to the truck, just make sure that everything kinda sorta fit before I install it. So I just went to the truck and basically dry fitted it. I just wanna make sure first that it actually fits in the rear seat, and it does. Alright. I just don't wanna install it right away because I haven't washed my truck. Alright, well, let's wash the truck.
Yep, you got a head, right?
Step number one is let's remove this. What I'd like to do is probably start in the bottom. So the difference between the other one that I had was this was shorter. The crack right here is a lot longer. It makes it fit a little further inward. That's probably why it fits for this model. So I'm just gonna tuck it in, lift the seat a little bit up so I can feed it to the other side. And there are some strings, so I'm gonna use the string so I can just pull it. If you're doing this, much easier if you can get this unlatched. So far, it fits perfectly. The length of it fits when it comes to your extended cab. The only issue I see though is right here. We'll see later on further down the installation if it's any problem besides just some piece of the leather covering the plastic right here. So I'm gonna keep going. After that, the next step really is to grab these right here. It'll attach to these buckles right here, and that should be good. I put all the buckles together, so this is how it looks like. You'll have a buckle right here that secures the side, the side flaps. One long one that connects to the other side, and then 4 of them from the bottom. So it should wrap from the bottom seat, and we should be done on this install in the bottom. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this was really what I'm worried about. They don't sell this kind of seat. This one specifically fits almost perfect, except for this. This back cover should be a lot easier. It's pretty easy because you got holes right here, so all you gotta do is align the holes up top. And these are connected with Velcro. It should just stick in the back. Next is just Velcro this in the back. And we'll pull this in the other side, so I'll just feed it through. Let's see. There we go. That's how it looks like. It's pretty snug. I'm gonna do the other side now. Now on this side of the truck, you'll have this latch right here. All you gotta do is lock it and you'll be able to feed it in the back. All right, next step, I'm gonna install this guy right here. Sticks, it's on there. There's a slit right here. Grab that part right here. If you have a full crew cab, some of the F-150s will have an armrest right here. So you'll have access to that right about here. I'll put the headrest on. Now, if you do need an install video on this and how to install this one, then you got a problem. Boom. All right, we're done here in the back. Let's move on to the front. When you're installing the front side, just remember, point of reference, if you have the zipper closest to the door. And then in the bottom, you'll have this hooks. That should be it for the front seat. There, so I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll show you the finished product after I install it all. All in all, it's not that bad. It is not factory, obviously, but it's a good addition. All right, final thoughts. The seat is actually made of great quality materials. It's real leather, and sometimes it gets a little bit tricky trying to put it on because the leather is new. It's not as flexible yet. But as far as the quality is concerned, it looks beautiful. It actually gives a little bit more protection, especially if you're spilling some stuff. Especially me, I got dogs. That would easily be a good add-on because it's gonna be easier to clean it up. Now, as far as installation, it's not difficult, but anybody can do it really. Fitment, no problem. It's gonna fit your F-150, whether you have a full crew cab or an extended cab. No problem as far as that's concerned. Obviously, if you just have this regular cab, you don't need the back seat, so you'll just need 2 seat covers up front. I want to thank Custom Interior for providing the seat cover for today's video. If you found value in this content, my name is Bombo and this is the Man Toys. I'll catch you in the next video.